Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and in this video we will be talking about the print command in Python. It is a very simple command, but it's also very important. So what you want to do for a print command is you just type in print, and then put some parentheses, go inside of the parentheses, and then you put quotation marks, type in what you want to say. It should be like that. You could also use these kind of quotation marks. But you cannot use no quotation marks. And you could not use two different kinds of quotation marks. But there are some exceptions. I'll show you the exceptions right now. Oh, and what do you think the print command does? I forgot to say that. And let's run it. Pause the video, think about what it does, and then watch. It's going to print the word hi. If you said that, you are correct. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. So, the exceptions now. Okay, exceptions are if you make a variable, which we'll talk about in a different video, then you don't have to put the if you want to print the variable, you do not have to put that in parentheses. Let's say I have a variable called kids tech. You do not have to put parentheses around that. Also, if you want to do an equation like 3 plus 3, you do not have to put parentheses around that. It'll just print 6. But if you want it to print 3 plus 3, you have to put parentheses around that. I mean, quotation marks. I keep saying parentheses instead of quotation marks. So you have to put quotation marks if you want to if it's a variable or an equation, you have to put quotation marks around it. If not, it will say syntax error and it will not work. This is very important in Python, and if you start coding games in Python, you'll see why it's so important. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Check back for all my new videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.